In a volatile market, the dollar becomes the ultimate safe haven.
Reverses the interest rate differential in the other way, and then the dollar rips higher. And then the mechanics really kick in, and you have this gravitational pull toward the dollar for a risk off, kind of safety haven. And that's what takes it, 101, 102, something like that. But for all the doomers out there about the dollar and interest rates, it's just like you kind of wonder if they ever look at a chart, or is it like never let the facts get in the way of a good story, or never let the facts get in the way of a good narrative. How often, just going back to interest rates as an example, the 10-year Treasury yield, like if I asked you right now, just based on the narrative that you hear on social media and in the mainstream media for the year 2025, so year to date, would you say that the 10-year Treasury yields have gone up or down? I think the majority of you would say, oh my gosh, well, they've gone up. George, foreigners dumping treasuries, investors rejecting treasuries. We know that this is happening. The Fed's trying to bring rates down and they're having a hard time, and they're stuck between this rock and a hard place because we have stagflation, and they're issuing so much debt, and they're having to do yield curve control and blah 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 blah. So of course, the 10-year Treasury is probably up 40, 50 basis points this year, if not more, right? Yeah, wrong. In fact, it's the exact opposite. The 10-year Treasury yield is down about, what is that, 53 basis points? Call it 50 basis points this year. So it's just that narrative that like no one's buying treasuries and yields are skyrocketing, yields are going up. There's no more demand. I don't know. It's in order to push that narrative or to have that opinion, you would literally have to ignore the chart. Like you would have to ignore what the price is doing.
Join the Rebel Capitalist News Desk on Substack and get George Gammon's unfiltered weekly wrap-up for premium subscribers. If you're a free reader, you're missing the full story and the chance to see George's raw, no-holds-barred take on the data that's shaking markets right now. Visit rebelcapitalist.com to get access to the live stream and the replay, plus every premium deep dive going forward.